If you choose triple science as an option, you will gain 3 GCSEs in science at the end of Year 11. GCSE Biology, GCSE Chemistry and GCSE Physics. So who should choose triple science? Well, if you have a love for science or you want a career that involves a lot of science, then triple science is for you. Triple science is the gateway to A-level sciences and is also very, very useful when it comes to vocational applied science also. So this option involves a more in-depth look at the 3 sciences. For example, when you study GCSE biology, you will look at the anatomy of the eye, you will look at what each part does, and you will look at how eye defects are rectified. You will also study the brain. You will find out why most brain operations are done while the patient is still awake. When you look at GCSE chemistry, you will look at organic compounds in more details. You will get the opportunity to synthesize esters. Esters are fragrances that are put in aftershaves and perfumes. When you look at GCSE physics, you will get the opportunity to study space. You will look at stars. You will look at the birth and death of stars. You will look at how the different ways in which stars can die, including supernovas. These are just some of the topics that you will look at when you do triple science. So how is each GCSE assessed? Well, each GCSE comprises of 2 examination papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 takes the first half of the topics for each GCSE and paper 2 takes the remainder. Each examination paper is 1 hour and 45 minutes, whether you take the foundation tier or whether you take the higher tier. Each paper is out of 100 marks. Each paper is 50% of the overall GCSE. Each paper is also made up of multiple choice questions, structured questions, closed answers, as well as long and short full sentence answers. Studying science can lead to a whole host of different careers. Some of the common ones are shown on the slide. So if you majored in biology, you could be a nutritionist, chemistry, drug synthesis, so you would be heavily involved in making vaccines. If you were a physicist, then we could be looking at a career in engineering, or you could be looking at a pilot. But there are a whole host of jobs that you could do, ranging from dentistry to marine biologist to a lawyer. To be fair, science, having GCSEs in science, A-levels in science and a degree in science is really a platform to absolutely any career that you would wish to undertake. So triple science is very, very, very much a worthwhile option to take.